day to go out for that today and tomorrow.
Is there ever a bad day? What kind of weather do we need to go see the alpacas,
That's
Kayla?
my question. You said it's going to be breezy tomorrow.
It will be, yeah.
Yeah,
the little hair will
alpacas.
blown over their eyes a little bit. Yeah, you're going to need to cuddle up with the alpaca tomorrow morning because it will be cooler here tomorrow. We do have some changes coming, Kayla, and they include some rainfall tonight. They include some wind as well, and they include the return to actual fall after this kind of blowtorch start to October. Let's look at some stuff that we're going to see change. First off, tomorrow morning, wind chills will be down in the 30s. We've got that rain that'll move through parts of the state the first half of tonight. Your next chance then next week is going to be on Monday for a few showers. It's going to be breezy the next few days as well. In fact, our strongest winds, noticeably gusty winds, are going to be next Tuesday. It's looking like at this point. This evening, just looking various shades of gray out there here after the sun has gone down. Winds whipping the flags around a little bit. Well, we froze our image up in Creston on the northwest side of town, but we showed you that view down in Lamoni. Those winds, they are going to be blustery through the evening hours. We've got some showers moving in from the north and the west, some that are already building across southern Iowa as well. These are basically just going to fill in across the state here as we go through this evening. One system coming out of the northern plains is basically going to hook up with another system over the southern part of the U.S., and that'll help us form these showers over the next few hours. So watch as we go hour by hour just through about midnight or so. Well, we'll stop at 10 o'clock here. You see those showers, they're going to be not super heavy, light to maybe some pockets of moderate rainfall that'll move across here the middle of the state. I think most of us, once we get towards 11 o'clock, midnight, maybe 1 a.m. at the latest, are going to be done with this rainfall. It'll linger a little bit longer then as we head into eastern Iowa. Notice the clearing line, the back edge of the clouds, that's already moving through here late tonight, so that by the time you get up tomorrow morning, the skies will be clearing out. That wind will still be noticeable. You see those gusts still around 20-25 miles per hour early on in the day. So the marathon runners here and everybody who's going to go spectate tomorrow in Des Moines, it's going to be chilly tomorrow. Wind chills in the upper 30s. Once you get towards race time, 8 o'clock, maybe a few degrees warmer, but on the cooler side finally here for your Sunday. We'll keep the breeze going into the afternoon, but our skies will stay pretty much crystal clear. We'll start to calm those winds down towards tomorrow evening. It'll be cooler, though. Tomorrow highs only in the lower 60s, which is more typical of this time of year. Then we got another quick system that'll zoom in here towards Monday. This is going to briefly turn our winds to the south, get them breezy again. You see a few showers are going to try to form, mainly I would think the northern half of Iowa, a little bit closer to the main core of this system, that low pressure center up towards Minnesota. This will be a daytime thing, a few showers possible. By the time we head towards the evening, it's already moving on out of here. Wind shift back to the northwest again as we head towards Tuesday, and then this is when the cooler air really rushes in. High temperatures on Tuesday, probably not going to get to 60 degrees. We're going to have only 50s and some breezy 50s, I should say windy, just windy. We're looking right now, data points at some 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts out of the north and west coming up next Tuesday. So all this kind of adding up to a much more fall feel for sure as we head into this 8-day forecast. Third week of October next week, you see a lot more days on there that are either highs in the 50s or at warmest highs in the 60s after all the heat that we've had as of late. After the winds, we've got a couple chilly mornings with some lows dipping down in the 30s next Wednesday and into Thursday.